Elisa's World.
Today we are gonna show how to play with this farm book. Now we open the stickers and we are gonna put it in the book. The first page is the pigs, and we need to find the pigs. Now we are going to put the pig and this food, and we have to put it here, and we have to find the dog and the milk. Now we found this, and we need the milk. Where is the milk? We found the milk. Now we go on for next page, and now we have to find the horse first. Horse. Horse. Cat. The different horses. And apples. And this, probably. And go to the next page. And now we need chicken and rabbit and salad. And salad at the digger. And we need a flour. Put this first, and this second, and this third, and this fourth. Now this is fifth, and let's go in the next page. Wait. Now, where's the scarecrow? Now sheep, and now the truck. Let's go down in the end this time. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, that's now we are gonna find. Wait. And this cow. And this cow. And this one. Huh? Why doesn't it stick? to show you what's in it. There are pigs, dogs, milk, and a goat. And then there's horse, cat, a different horse, apple, and this brown thing. And there is olives, chicken, rabbit, flower, and the chicken orange. There's a squirrel and a scarecrow, a cow food, the green thing, there's a sheep, and there's a truck. It got muddled up. And then there's a cow. There is cow food again. There is baby cow, and there is a milk machine. And that is the end of the video, and give a really big thumbs up and subscribe to Elisa's World channel, and see you on the next video. Bye.